Welcome to my bullet journal. I just started with a random journal that I liked. It's called Grids and Guides from Princeton Architectural Press. And I was just using it for random thoughts. And then I decided to turn it into a bullet journal. Look, I even did the task events and notes, which, as you'll see, quickly fell apart. I started my index. I started in November because why not? And you can see I started off fairly neat. I like doing the daily goals. Those are really helpful. And I just made it work for me. I just kept using up the pages how I needed. I always try to put at least 3 things down per day that I'm trying to accomplish. Whether or not it gets accomplished just depends on the day. But it really helped me get things organized and done. And then I just made it work for me. I would write down notes and ideas. You can see December was super not productive. That's because Idea Decanter is crazy. I did want to do this art journal, this December art journal prompts, which I kind of petered out halfway through. January 2022, starting off with fresh goals. And I really started to make it work even better for me in 2022. Here's the beginning of the Encyclopedia of Extinction ideas. Small joys, trying to work out what I'm actually doing. Minimum viable product, my new mantra. You know, sometimes I'll be listening to a podcast and they just say something amazing and I just want to capture it. Getting some art sale ideas out. This is when I decided I really needed that art kit that is for free on my website. Just go and sign up for that. More new ideas. Oh look, I tried to get all Pinteresty here with. And you can see it's not a pretty one, but it helped me go from not getting anything done to getting into 5 shows last year and getting a major series finished, which is pretty amazing when you think about I have a company that I run that takes up 50 hours of my week. And all of this was done basically by sectioning off 12 hours a week to my art practice. Then some more ideas. My lighting course I'm working on, and then I still had a couple of pages left, so not bad. And I'm all ready with 2023 ready to go. This year, I added much more index pages. And this one has these cute little storyboards, which I think are going to be very fun this year. Anyways, happy bullet journaling.